I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. I am happy that we have finally met together after all these years.
Yes, a long time have passed. Why are you in this railway station?
I am going to Sylhet.
Sylhet. I knew that your house is in Comilla.
You are absolutely right. I am now working as a doctor in a hospital there. What's the matter about you?
I am going to Chittagong.
5 years ago I heard from Shimu that you and your family lived in Khulna.
You are correct. Recently, I have been transferred from Khulna to Chittagong. Sujeon, oh, I see. Are you still working as a college lecturer?
Yes, I am now working at Chittagong City College.
Have you got married?
Yes, I have got married 2 years ago. But what about your marriage?
Yes, I have also got married 4 years ago. My husband is an engineer working in Sylhet. My train has come. I must be off now. Thank you.
You are most welcome. See you again.